and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1. We'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2. We'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3. Learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4. Discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Hi, and welcome to this demo of Proecom. With Proecom, you can build a profitable Amazon associate store to start collecting those big affiliate checks from the biggest online store in the world. Or simply set up your own e-commerce store with the power of AI and your voice. Click here to set up your own free Amazon affiliates account. Then add the products you want to earn within your store. Let's set up a new product. How about a nice sun hat to wear to the beach for vacation? Click here to use the AI and your voice to make it all happen. Click on product name to see if we can get a more creative name. I click on the microphone and say sun hat and get some suggestions. Next, I want a description, so I'm going to click here. Then click the mic and say, give me a great description for a hat to wear in the sun. Then click Get Results. Now I need an image. Click the mic and say, give me a great image for a sun hat. Click Download. I'm going to leave that there for a moment. Now that I have my product created with the power of AI and my voice, I'm going to add it to the store. Click on Products, then All Products, then Add New. And now we add our title, our price, our sale price if we want, and our SKU. Now save. Then scroll down to the bottom and click the Publish switch to On. Then click on Images and go back to the image the AI got for us and drag it onto the Upload box and boom! Now click on the Your Website button and there's all your products. Now to get some customers. Click on Social Traffic and share your store and specials on any or all of the dozens of social media platforms. And soon you'll have plenty of paying customers visiting your store excited to buy. That's how simple it is to use the power of AI and your voice to create a store to earn with Amazon products with Proecom.